guys, and welcome back to our channel Xvid.dll Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix Xvidcore.dll error with 4 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Xvidcore.dll error occurs due to missing or corrupted DLL files, outdated or conflicting codecs, software incompatibility, outdated video drivers, malware or virus. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Install Xvid codec manually. To do so, follow these steps. Visit the Xvid download page and select Xvid for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, double-click it to run it. Select the desired language and click OK. Click Next to proceed. Accept the terms of service and click on Next. Choose the installation directory. You can usually leave it as it is and just click Next. Select Yes, automatically notify me when updates are available, and choose Next. You'll be asked to select a decoder. Don't select anything and just click Next. Lastly, click Next and wait for the setup to finish. Solution 2. Run a virus or malware scan. Some Xvidcore.dll errors could be related to a virus or other malware infection on your computer that has damaged the DLL file. It's even possible that the error you're seeing is related to a hostile program that's masquerading as the file. Perform a thorough malware scan on your system to ensure that there are no infections causing DLL errors. Solution 3. Run SFC Scan. System File Checker, SFC, is the inbuilt utility designed to scan for corrupt files in Windows PC and repairs them. Here follow the steps to run SFC Scan. Run the command prompt as administrator. Open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key. Now search for CMD, right-click on it, and click on Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type the command SFC/scan now, and hit Enter to execute the command. Wait for the process to complete, and then restart your PC, and the issue will be fixed. Solution 4. Update video driver. To do so, follow these steps. Go to Start on Window, and search for Device Manager. Click and a new window will appear. Navigate to the display adapters and click it. Click the Intel, R, HD graphics and from the options, click Update Drivers. Wait for the process to be complete. Repeat the same process if your computer has discrete graphics card. Video Repair Tool. To repair corrupted, choppy, jerky, jumpy, and other video-related problems, we recommend you use Video Repair Tool. It is a professionally recommended utility that can fix all sorts of video-related issues like choppy, jerky, grainy, pixelated, out of sync, etc. Here are steps to use the software. Step 1. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Step 2. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. Step 3. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software, and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. That's all. Hope you liked this video.